what is up? Just now my office got over. Now we are heading towards the Amarnagar, my hometown. It's exactly 7:04 right now. So we're going to go to Karadi bypass, and then we're going to take you know um, bus or something, cab, sharing cab. I will not take a sharing cab because I don't trust at night. So bus will be the best option. So we'll following the same. So this is what the journey started. I'm in Kharagpur right now. It will almost take 1.5 hours to travel to Karadi bypass, and then our journey begins for more 2.5 hours. The total round figure like 5 hours it will take to travel. In this, I won't be able to use. Oh my God! I need to turn on that robot. Shit. Signing off. Enjoy. Dude, you won't even believe I just, it's a 7:12, I'm waiting for the city bus stop. So here's the thing, you won't even believe me what just happened. I have implemented a robot like on my trading account in afternoon, which is like 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Okay, so it actually, that account, that robot actually increased the account by 10% in just 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. Oh fuck, it's huge. Holy crap, you won't even believe. Just now it was 10% and within this 10 minutes or 20 minutes, it actually crossed almost 30%, dude. ये कुछ तो गड़बड़ है भाई, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, बहुत बहुत बड़ा. I have created a big robot. I need to keep this on, keep this machine on. I have to. My goodness, I'm so happy. Is full order पे order आ रहे हैं, order पे order. My goodness, ये रहा और एक order, और एक order. Oh fuck. Idea, we just crossed 60% threshold of profitability in. Oh my God. Market is doing something wrong. खोकला चालला राव. काय सांगू, ह्या 60% growth in just 4 fucking hours. Fuck. Then I came here to the next bus stop. It's in front of this avenue. So the bus is come right in front of me. So we are going to take that bus. See how that road. I need to check what is going on. Hi there, we caught city bus. Now going for Nagarput to Davkana, and then we are again changing the city bus to Karadi bypass. So this is what it is. And we have almost 66% load in our account. Waiting for city bus is seriously a worst idea because it takes a lot time. Now, just if I take rickshaw and I will be reaching, in most probably maximum 30 minutes, but now almost 45 minutes के ऊपर हो गया. I'm fucking traveling and waiting for city bus. So public transport really, it is cost saving, but I will definitely not recommend if you are in a hurry. So right now I'm not in a hurry, so I can able to wait, as my also trades are also earning money. So I really don't have actual time, just to run and get in a hurry. So that's why I can afford to waste my time, but I'm actually listening to Andrew Tate. So it's actually using my time, but seriously, never wait for city bus if you are in hurry. That's a recommendation. Hey there, now it's almost 55 minutes. I'm traveling, and seriously, we can't afford this much time wastage. After 5 minutes, I'm going to reach out to this rickshaw. There are a lot of rickshaws we can go with, but it will cost us 20 rupees more. That's affordable, not an issue. Another thing, we just crossed 75% increase in our account in 4 hours. Seriously, I'm speechless. I'm not that happy like, yeah, yes, because we're trader है, I'm a trader, so वो feelings नहीं होते हैं हमारे में. So this is what it is. Just max 4 minutes, and then we are going to take the rickshaw. We can't waste this much time signing off because we have to keep this laptop on charge as well. So we need to see that as well while traveling. Signing off. Yo, we got a rickshaw finally and going for Karadi bypass. Seriously, we wasted our almost of how much? 20 minutes at the same place. Seriously, we can't afford this much. So at the end we take a rickshaw and now we are going. So signing off, this is what it is, and yes, I'm using this. Oh my god, still I thought using this Excel floating thing and work as frontline, but it's not working the way I wanted. So signing off. Right there, we finally crossed 80% account increase by using our robot. Seriously, within just 1 hour, and I really blew my mind like anything. And there is no light, so complete video is done. So congratulations, we are actually covering our every single course which is going to acquire today. So yes. You won't even believe how the power of trading is. Trading, dude, trading. I love it. So this is what it is. Signing off. Crossing the Magarpatta city. Signing off. Oh my! क्या बोलूँ यार? I doubled the. नगर. नहीं यार. I doubled the account and even that 210% I. Not 200. 110%. Amount. Oh my god, 110% we have earned in just 4 fucking hours, dude. Oh my god, I'm happy but not that excited. We'll keep this money making machine on. We have to put this also in charge. That was the main thing. Signing off. Enjoy. Woo. Oh yeah, right now it's a 5. Oh my god, it's a 8:56 and we have reached to Kharadi bypass. So now we are going to the bus stand in the Kharadi bypass, which is in front of me. So once we reach there, then we'll take Shivshai or something similar than like that. So signing off. So I got a bus and Nagar. And this is the bus. I take it. Right there. It's a 23:20. मतलब 11:20 हो गए and we have wait here. So actually bus stops here just for dinner purpose. So मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत नींद आई है. I mean yeah, personally तो बहुत नींद आ रही थी, but I was literally my phone was on charge. Laptop I wouldn't be able to use. No, I kept laptop on charge. So I was literally thinking how I can grow and rest of the things, because I wasn't able to do any single thing. So that's the reason I have to be myself and just think about the things, how we can grow and rest of the things. So this is what it's signing off.